Do you want to know the kind of dish Italians suddenly crave? The one that makes them think I need this now? Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
Today, I'm making gnocchi with creamy gorgonzola sauce. It's not traditional, but you see it in many modern Italian restaurants. And I just have to try it.
Gorgonzola is one of the oldest blue cheeses in the world. Its bold, tangy flavor pairs beautifully with salted gnocchi, creating a rich but comforting dish. Let's get started. Cook the gnocchi in salted boiling water. Once they float, drain well. Heat olive oil and saute garlic until fragrant. Add white wine, let it reduce. Then pour in the cream. Simmer gently over medium heat, not high, for smoother, creamier sauce. Melt the gorgonzola into the sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Then toss in the gnocchi. Toss the gnocchi gently to keep them fluffy and evenly coated. Finish with a touch of black pepper. Here it is. The sauce is bold, but it has the gnocchi perfectly. If you eat this and find yourself craving it again, maybe that makes a little Italian too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.